Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to transfer Google Chrome data to the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you are trying to import important data from Chrome to Edge, I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Edge, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On right side select import browser data, click on it. In here you can select any other browser to import it, but in this tutorial I'm just going to show you guys import data from Google Chrome. This will import bookmarks, passwords, history and other browser data from Google Chrome. Click on import. You can select which browser you are importing, and you can select the profile of the browser and choose what to import. You can select it by your preferences guys. You can check mark it. If you don't want anything to import it, you just need to uncheck this option guys. After doing this, you can select import to import all of these informations, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.